Hey guys, this is the Skyline 5354. This home is 1,623 square foot and a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den. This is what we call an offset model, so it has this recessed portion here for a site-built carport and shed. Now we've built everything on site here. We are a turnkey contractor within the state of Florida. Let's take a look at the shed before we go inside. We got a set of double doors here, so you can fit a golf cart. You can park right in here. Plenty of headroom, lots of storage space. It has the added shelves, okay? Lots of room when you put the shed on the gable end of the home like this, all right? Moving to the front porch. Concrete that's used here, we use 4,000 PSI Semix material with commercial fiber. This is high quality concrete. It's not off-brand, low PSI, okay? These steps are all poured solid, poured on site. They're not hollow, they're not modular. These are poured solid on site, okay? Moving up to the front porch, you've got a wraparound front porch, composite decking. Your windows, standard on a Skyline home, are gonna be 72-inch windows. From others, they will be 60 inches. From Skyline, 72. That additional 12 inches makes a huge difference as far as the natural light in the home goes, okay? And then you've got these hurricane shutters. We added those on site as well. Let's go take a look. This is a beautiful house. Okay, coming inside, you've got 8.5-foot flat ceilings, full 1/2-inch finished drywall throughout with bullnose corners. Moving into the kitchen, you've got hardwood cabinets throughout. Everything has recessed hinges and it is soft close, okay? This is a solid surface countertop. We added this on site. If you wanna do a quartz or corian, something like that, we can add that, okay? Stainless steel appliances, just a beautiful kitchen package, all right? This is the standard configuration on the cabinets from Skyline, and I love it, okay? Bar top island to the dining room, and then moving into this massive living room, okay? Huge living room. This home is over 30 foot wide, which is the largest double wide manufactured home available. So you've got a very large living room space, okay? In addition, we've done this LVP flooring throughout, okay? This is a click plank flooring. If you wanna get away from the transition strip that is typical on a manufactured home at the marriage line, I suggest doing an LVP flooring on site. It'll do away with that. You'll get a seamless look throughout, okay? We also have 5 1/4 base and 4 3/4 crown. Nice big base, nice big crown. It just really makes the house look a lot nicer, okay? 72-inch triple windows here. We've added these cornice boards over top. You've got the floating transoms here, entertainment center there, the nice big tray ceiling. It just opens everything up. The windows, the tray, it's just a very nice open living room, okay? Moving into the master bed. Big master bed. 3 different windows, all right? Plenty of space in here, all right? Moving into the master bath. You've got double sinks. We added these recessed medicine cabinets. That's an option from Skyline. Standard, you will have a fiberglass shower in the master. This is a custom closet space that we added. This is something the customer wanted, so we had this built in, okay? With Skyline, you can do some level of customization. Pocket door to the walk-in closet. Good size walk-in closet. Double racks, plenty of room in here, all right? And then you've got your toilet space here, all right? Moving to the other side of the house. I love this house. It's flow, everything, it's so big. Ooh, one thing, this laundry room closet space right here, this is actually a custom configuration, okay? So standard, if you look at the print, it's a little bit different. The homeowner wanted a different layout and we were able to do it for her. It's something she really actually came up with herself. It was a good idea. So if you look at the standard print, the way this laundry room is situated, maybe consider optioning in this different layout. Now again, from Skyline, you can do that sort of customization, okay? Moving into the bathroom, standard, you've got a tub shower here, okay? 1-piece fiberglass, all right? Standard sink, standard toilet, all right? Moving into bedroom number 2, medium to small size bedroom, okay? You've just got a single window. It actually has a pretty big walk-in closet. So a decent sized walk-in closet in this bedroom. Access for the hot water tank, all right? Moving into the den. So coming through here, back to the kitchen, this hallway. Here's the den, a smaller den, okay? Now it does come standard with these built-ins. So this cabinet, this countertop configuration, that is standard. If you wanted to remove this and put in a closet and make this a true 3rd bedroom, you could do that, okay? But standard, it will be a den. Let's go take a look at the rear porch. So this model is unique. It has both a front and a rear porch. So let's go take a look at that. Oh, one other thing, standard with Skyline, you're gonna have both ducted supplies and ducted returns. So ducted supplies, ducted returns to every room. Most manufacturers just have one central return. Skyline has supplies and returns in every room. It makes the heating and cooling of the home a lot more efficient. These little things make a big difference. Also, standard, your exterior wall is gonna be 2x6 with R19 sidewall insulation. It's a much nicer construction, all right? Looking at the rear porch, nice, big, integrated half porch. We've added the screen on site. Makes for a beautiful backyard area. So there you go. This is the Skyline 5354. With Skyline, everything you get in a Skyline home out of the box is sufficient, and then you can upgrade it from there. So these are beautiful houses. They're built right here in Florida. We absolutely love this lineup of homes. So if this interests you or any other, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.